Hi, this is Ashley from Vega Designs Custom Automotive, and today I'm excited to walk you through and kind of what makes the Vega Designs difference as your vehicle gets a full stealth install and gets to head out with you into the world. We really believe that the full testing of the system for the client is so important. What is it that you should ask a shop when they're doing a radar and laser defense installation for you? How are you going to test my system? What equipment are you going to use? And always want someone who's not only going to show that the system is installed, but that your system's going to perform. And how we do that is by investing in equipment and technology to show our clients the performance before they head back on the road. The Dragon Eye is going to be the superior gun on the market right now because of its variable pulsing. So something like this Bushnell that's testing baseball equipment is going to fire in a simple pulse that almost anyone can create a defense algorithm for. Now, when you're working with something like the Dragon Eye, which is constantly getting updated, constantly improving, it's going to come out in variable pulsing. So you can't just create a blocking system that's going to be on a timer. You need something that is going to defend you no matter what pulse is coming out of that gun as it's checking your speed. Right here, we are going to run a Pro Laser 4, a Stalker, and a Dragon Eye in-house, which currently the Dragon Eye and its variable pulse is the hardest gun to go against in the market. So we know that it's really important that we have that equipment to give our clients peace of mind and they can go enjoy their vehicle. All right, right here I'm starting with the PL4 and we are just checking the sensitivity of that rear radar detector because in the back we do not have diffusers. And so here we're just making sure that that radar in the rear is acknowledging versus if the system is actually diffusing properly and the best functionality for the vehicle. Read. No read. All right, here we go, Dragon Eye. Front Tesla test.
Okay.
Hit. Outside lane. Hit.
Front laser rapid compact. Front laser XLR.